In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a long position on Binance using the Binance mobile app. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding how to manage your positions is vital, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step in a clear and informative manner. First, let's start by opening up the Binance app on your mobile device. From the main screen, what you want to do is tap on the Futures tab. This will take you directly to the Futures trading section where you can begin setting up your long position. Now, take a moment here to familiarize yourself with the interface, which has been designed to be intuitive even if you're new to the platform. Next, you'll need to select a trading pair. Trading pairs indicate the assets you're trading against one another, and for today's example, let's say you want to trade Bitcoin against Tether. So go ahead and select BTCC USDT from the available options. Remember, choosing the right trading pair is crucial because it determines the potential profit or loss you might incur based on the market's movement. Moving on, you will be prompted to choose between an isolated or cross margin. The choice here can affect how your funds are managed during your trades. In an isolated margin, each position is independent of the other, meaning if one position gets liquidated, others remain unaffected. Conversely, selecting a cross margin allows your entire balance in the futures account to prevent liquidations. Choose what aligns best with your trading strategy. Also, set your desired leverage. Leverage is a tool that can amplify your returns or losses, so be very mindful of your chosen leverage. Typically, beginners might start at a lower leverage level to mitigate risk. Now let's enter the amount you wish to trade. This amount indicates how much of the selected asset, like Bitcoin, you're willing to buy or sell. Once you've confirmed the amount, select Buy Long. By choosing this option, you're effectively betting that the price of Bitcoin will rise in the future. It's crucial to double check everything before confirming your transaction to avoid any unwanted surprises or errors. Finally, you'll want to monitor your open position. To do this, navigate to the Positions tab within the app. Here you'll see all the details concerning your active trades, including profits or losses in real time. Keeping an eye on this will help you make timely decisions on whether to continue holding your position or close it. And there you have it. You've successfully opened a long position on Binance using the mobile app. Remember, trading futures can be risky, and it's always advisable to do your research and trade responsibly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guidance empowers you to make confident trading decisions.